Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix Netflix TV login problem. So in order to solve Netflix login problem on your TV, you could follow this update or troubleshooting steps. The most issues are caused by Netflix household verification outdated firmware or app cache as well. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you could select update Netflix household or troubleshoot this TV on your TV screen. Then you could also go ahead and scan the display QR code using your mobile's phone camera. You could also ensure your phone is connected to your home Wi-Fi, the same network TV uses. And you could also follow the prompt on your phone to verify the device and select start watching. And apart from it, what you could also do is you could go with a basic reset and power cycle. So power cycle class clear temporary hardware glitch that prevents the app from authenticating as well. Next, you could also unplug the TV, turn off the TV and unplug it from the wall at least for 60 seconds, and that should be able to help or not. If nothing works out, you want to make sure to contact the support team and they should be able to help you out. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.